Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. Today we are going to be making black soap body wash. So what exactly is black soap? Yes, this entire ball is black soap. What exactly is black soap? Here we are. This is how we actually get it. Black soap is a traditional soap that originally originates from West Africa, and it's very, very popular in Nigeria and in my parents' home country of Ghana. It is made from the ash of leaves, shea bark. There's also plantain skin in here and various other natural elements to make this soap. This soap is very, very good for the skin. People with eczema have said that they've gotten great results from it as well. It's awesome for the face. I actually do make like a black soap face mask, and it's very good for your hair. My kids use it to wash their hair, and this is actually what I'm going to be making today. I'm going to be making a black soap body wash / shampoo. And so this is it. This is how it comes. It comes wrapped in paper. So when you purchase it, this came straight from Ghana. When you purchase it, this is how you get the soap, all wrapped in paper. And then you break off chunks as you would need it. Now for me, because I find this soap personally particularly drying, some people don't find that, but I do. I am going to be making, like I said, a body wash / shampoo with it, and I will add a little bit of shea butter just for moisturizing effects, but not taking away its cleansing properties. So let's get started. Okay. To make our soap, I am going to actually just slice and start with about 500 grams of soap. So in here I have 500 grams of soap, and I am going to add water and place it on the stove and have it boil down. I have added my water to my pot. This is a 7-liter pot, and I've added 6 liters of water to the black soap, and I'm just now going to wait for it to boil down. The soap is all nice and melted, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some shea butter, and I'm just free cutting this, so I'm not pre-measuring it, but so it'll be about maybe 100 grams of shea butter. So I'm just going to slice it right here. This is pure shea butter, and let me know if you want me to do a video on the benefits of shea butter. This is pure crude shea butter from Ghana, so I'm just going to add it to our boiling black soap. All right. So while our shea butter is melting in our black soap, I am going to make our thickening agent. The thing about the black soap is once you have melted it, it's very watery. So you're going to need something to make it thicker, something to give it a little bit of that slip. You know, when you use shower gels and shampoos, it's thick, it's not watery. So this is how we make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to start by using 1 cup of boiling hot water and a tablespoon of xanthan gum. Now, this xanthan gum I just got from my local bulk store. You can find it in grocery stores. Xanthan gum is really just fermented simple sugars that has been made with a specific type of bacteria. And in skincare, it's used as the thickening agent. So I'm just going to put it in here in the hot water. And it thickens very fast. So in order to work this very quickly, I'm going to get my emulsifier and we're going to blend it. I'm going to try and break all this down. And you can see here we are. This is very ooey, very gooey. almost very mucusy, right? This is our xanthan gum. From here, I'm going to just add a little bit of the melted black soap to this, and let's see the results that we get. So I'm just pouring some into a strainer, because if not, you're going to get all the sediment from the black soap into your formulation, and you don't want that. All right, so I've poured some of my black soap in here, and let's do this again and see what we get. Take your time when you're doing this so you don't splash yourself. I'm also working with a very hot product, so there we go. There we go. Does that not look so pretty? And so I still have some more black soap to pour, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I am going to add it. I'm going to pour it into a jar that I have. I'll show you the jar in a second. I'm going to leave a little bit at the bottom and I'm going to pour more black soap and I'm going to mix it until it is all combined. And then we have our body wash slash shampoo. Yay! So here's my jug, actually not a jar, but a jug. And I'm going to, there we go, add my funnel. I think it'll be easier for me to do this. Let me push this table out of the way so you can see better. Go. And I am just going to pour some in here. There we go. Poured it into the jug, and I'm just now pouring more black soap in here. So when we're doing this, we're going to do it little by little, just mixing. We're going to mix it with our emulsifier and then pour some into our jug, pour some black soap, and that's how we do it, incorporating the xanthan gum with the black soap until it has all been mixed in together. Skincare and the cosmetic manufacturing world actually really likes xanthan gum. You can find it in medicines, in toothpastes, and in shampoos and conditioners and all types of cosmetics. So I finally have reached the bottom of my pot of melted black soap, and I want you guys to see this. This is what I'm talking about how natural this soap is, but then there is sediment. As I pour, you're going to see little black things. And this is really just this is just like the charcoal, and the pot also has it in here. Just the ingredients that are used to make the black soap. It is gritty, so you don't want it in your finished product. But I love seeing that because it just lends to how natural black soap is. Just going to blend this up, and I'm going to show you the finished product. And so here we are. We are finished our black soap, body wash, and shampoo. And I've just divvied the soap into a bunch of different bottles that I have around. You know what? When it comes to packaging, try not to spend too much money. Really just save some of your old packaging from other products, clean it out, and then you can just reuse them. So that's what I've done here. If you want to see what the soap looks like, I'll just pump some into my hand. Let's get this going. There we go. And rub it in. Oh, it feels so nice and warm, guys. Wow. Here it is. And then I'm just going to wash my hands, and that's it. And I've washed my hands, and there we go. This is our black soap body wash slash shampoo. Here we are. And here's another view of our products. There we go. This beautiful large jug in the middle here holding our black soap, and all of these are filled. Another tip about getting packaging: you can always try secondhand stores. that's where I scored this beautiful jug here, and it was really not expensive at all. So remember, don't spend a lot on packaging unless you've seen something that you absolutely love and you must have it. Just reuse what it is you have or visit secondhand stores. So that's it. This is our black soap body wash slash shampoo. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap for notifications. And we will create next time. Bye.